Hi, we are Andy and Rich, and welcome to our channel, Remembrance of the Past, where we will be visiting churches, war graves, pillboxes and bunkers. We are in AULT HUCKNALL, St John the Baptist Church. (5383218) Corporal Henry Oliver, the Oxfordshire and Buckinghamshire Light Infantry Airborne, died 7th of February 1946, aged 26. (13049-689) Private Arthur Walker, Pioneer Corps, died 26th of February 1946, aged 28. We are at St Andrew's Churchyard, Skegby. (2297) Gunner W. COCKERTON, Royal Garrison Artillery, died 3rd of October 1914.
William Cockerton enlisted at Mansfield on the 18th of August, 1914 and served with the 14th Company Royal Garrison Artillery. He died in Ireland of heart failure on the 3rd of October, 1914.
267791 Private John Joseph White, Northumberland Fusiliers, died 14th of February 1919, aged 29. (241285) Private A. Hardwick, Northumberland Fusiliers, died 22nd of June 1918. 87916 Private Jabez, Smithurst, Notts and Derby Regiment, died 8th of August 1917, aged 24.
Jabez Smithurst was a coal miner and was posted to the reserves. He was mobilized on the 5th of June, 1917 and posted to the Sherwood Foresters. He died on the 8th of August, 1917 of heart valve disease.
506 1917, Lance Corporal Charlie Jones, the North Staffordshire Regiment, died 9th of April 1942, aged 22. P/MX 794813, radio mechanic Ivan Ball, died 6th of May 1946, aged 18. We are in Sutton in ASHFIELD HUTHWAITE Cemetery. 9666 Private W.H. Chatter, Machine Gun Corps Infantry, died 7th of January 1920. R/4350 Rifleman William Bradwell, King's Royal Rifle Corps, died 16th of November 1915, aged 31.
Enlisted in Nottingham and served with the 11th Battalion King's Royal Rifle Corps. He first entered the theatre of war in France on the 21st of July, 1915. He was wounded in action and returned to England, where he was treated and later died at Newcastle on Tyne First Northern General Hospital.
(27381) Private Herbert Buxton, Notts and Derby Regiment, died 18th September 1915, aged 37. (1511223) Sapper William Edward Bingham, Royal Engineers, died 10th of February 1943, aged 23. (2623735) Guardsman Alan Shooter, Grenadier Guards, died 14th of July 1947, aged 21. (11251-977) Private Ernest England, died 24th of June 1946, aged 39. (120,585) Private J.J. Thompson, Notts and Derby Regiment, died 19th of November 1918.